Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the communication wire harness in this Frigidaire induction range, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 6 screws, securing the upper rear access panel. Set the panel aside. Next, unthread the lower screw securing the power cord retaining plate. Now unthread the 5 mounting screws securing the range's lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the panel and set it aside. Disconnect the communication wire connector from both the control board and the oven relay board, and you can fully remove the old harness. To install the new communication wire harness, connect one connector to the control board. Then feed the wires through the 3 retaining wires and connect the opposite connector to the oven relay board. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first inserting the power cord retaining plate. Then align the notches on the bottom of the access panel with the tabs and thread the 5 screws to secure. Rethread the lower screw to secure the power cord retaining plate to the access panel. Now reinstall the upper rear access panel by sliding the tabs under the control panel. Then thread the center screw first to hold it in place. Replace the 5 additional screws to fully secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.